Hi, my name is Michaela Westra. I'm a resident artist here at Jerry's Artarama, and today I'm going to show you how to use a solvent-free cleaning practice using Tuscan Pine's walnut clove oil and their brush cleaning soap. So there are two different types of cleaning when it comes to an oil painting practice. The first is cleaning between colors while you're painting, and the second is when you're done painting, cleaning your brushes for the end of the night. So let's go ahead and start with in between colors. I have a dirty brush here, and it's kind of packed full with paint, so the first thing I want to do is I want to remove as much of this paint as I can. With just a paper towel, because I don't want to muck up my oil once I move to this next step. I have a little metal cup here. I'm going to add the walnut clove oil, just enough to cover the bottom. And then I'm just going to mix it around in the oil to remove as much of that pigment as I can. And then I'll wipe the excess oil off with the extra pigment so it's clean and ready to go for the next color. And now you're finished painting for the day and you want to clean your brushes so that you can leave them overnight and they don't dry with paint in your bristles. What you're going to do is same thing. You're going to remove that paint from the bristles using a paper towel. And then you're going to have either a tray or something that helps your brushes hang upside down so that you can take the walnut clove oil again and create a tiny little trough in this tray. And since it's at an incline a little bit, not too high, I can leave my bristles in this oil overnight. It will keep them soft and conditioned, and I can pick them up ready to go next time. Now, if you don't want to do this and you just want to clean them completely, we're going to move on to the next thing, which is the brush soap. So now, in order to get the oil out of the bristles, I'm going to be using the Tuscan Pine brush soap. First, I'm going to get it a little bit wet so I can create a lather inside the soap. I can use my fingers if I need to get a little bit more of that pigment out. Then I can rinse the bristles and repeat if I need to. I can then let it dry and it's ready to go. Now, keep in mind that this soap is also going to be great for acrylic, wash, watercolor, either synthetic or natural bristles. You can use this with whatever medium you're using. Now, that was my solvent-free brush cleaning practice using Tuscan Pine's walnut clove oil and their brush soap. Now remember, if you take care of your brushes, they will last for years. I hope this helps.